Hey guys, welcome back. And yesterday we are going to talk about a lot of things right now, but I'll try to make this video as short as possible. In this video, we are going to understand what's the current market situation, what are guilds for, and I will give you some tips at the end of this video. So yeah, if you like this kind of videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And yes, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So yes, I have asked my community whether if it will be interesting for me to share my current market analysis about Pixel. This is not a financial advice, but I've been trading cryptocurrency for a while now. Aside from my full-time job, I also trade crypto, altcoins like Matic and XRP. But please don't base your decisions based off my technical analysis. Yeah, I can see that there is really a big sell volume here. There's some who want to secure their profit at this high right here. And if we are going to check Pixel slash USDT on Binance, we can see here that there is a big sell volume at around zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.7 price range, and it's currently amounting $6 million compared to the buy orders that we have at around zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.5. You might go back to zero point 0.5 because again, zero point 0.5 is where people are buying right now. So yeah, there might be a chance that we will just go back down here, and then yeah, it could be a buying opportunity for some as well if we are gonna go up back again here at around zero point 0.6. Given the chance that we break this, there might be a chance that we go to $1, and there might be sell-offs as well. So yeah, please watch out for that. $1 is a psychological level, so people might sell and might just put a sell order on the $1, and it will probably make the price go down. And yeah, aside from this, we are going to check the guild announcement by Look. Guild is something big, and I think it's gonna create monopoly on resources and how a player can get resources from a certain land. So there could be public lands that don't engage with guilds, but majority of them or majority of those lands are probably in a guild. And if you don't have a guild, there might be a chance that you won't be able to get tier 4 or tier 3 resources, which will then be explained by the Pixels team later on. But yeah, guild is something that will help you gather resources basically. And if you don't have a land and you don't have a guild, it will be hard for you to earn some of those resources. It's also highlighted here that the top 20 guilds are given 100 free memberships. So if we're gonna check the guild dashboard right now, you can see here that yeah, farmhands, pixels, trappers in the field. We also have Order of Freedom here, which I am also a holder of NFT. Smurf, BCH, I see these people from the Twitter. And yeah, these are very active guilds that have very large community, and they are rewarded 100 free 100 memberships because the entry price on the top 20 guilds is 101 pixels right now, and it could increase in the future depending on how the guild performs. There is also a YGG super quest coming. This is a yield guild super quest where users will learn how bonding curves work, so they are aware of the risk. I'm gonna share this link in the description below, and yeah, this site will basically teach you and everything you need to know about guilds and pixels. What are they for, how do you join, and the benefits of joining a guild. So yeah, watch out for this. Watch out for Player Web3's announcement. Aside from that, I have a quick tip for you guys. If you are always running out of softwood, you can go to Terabilla. This is a free softwood for everyone, but I don't really recommend chopping these trees to its stump. So if you leave these stumps, you just need to wait for 3 to 4 hours for it to grow back again, and then you can start chopping them again. And yeah, I guess that's just all, guys. Thank you for your support. I'm reading everyone's comments, so if you have a questions or confusion, make sure you drop them down. I will make sure to reply to everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.